Ever wondered how USA's data practices are viewed around the globe? Let's dive into an international perspective on USA's data handling, examining where it's loved, tolerated, or viewed with concern first. It's crucial to understand the core of USA's business model, providing financial services, including insurance and banking, primarily to military members and their families. This fundamentally involves the collection, storage, and use of a significant amount of customer data. We'll pinpoint specific countries and general attitudes tied to their privacy regulations and customer perceptions. Some nations, particularly those with strong data protection laws like the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) adopted by the European Union, often show a heightened awareness and potentially skeptical lens to USA's data practices. Consider these countries more vigilant in protecting customer privacy. The sentiment is driven by consumer education and regulatory enforcement. Conversely, in regions with less strict data protection frameworks, the general public might be less aware or concerned about the nuances of data usage here. Perception often hinges on the level of trust in the service provider and the perceived value of services offered. This perception varies immensely. Customer perception also changes with public discourse. Some countries may view USA's practices favorably due to perceived security, while others may express concern about unauthorized access or data misuse. Finally, it's important to note that customer perceptions and data policies are constantly evolving. Our understanding of these nuanced dynamics should be updated regularly.